All right, so I picked up this 2004 Kawasaki KFX 400 today. I got it for 2,200 bucks. Definitely needs a water pump. That's got some seepage leakage around there. Just power washed it all off, got all the grease off. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. The valves definitely need to be adjusted. And while I'm in there, I'm gonna check the timing chain. And we're gonna revive this thing. Plastics are a little worn. Been sitting out for a couple years in the sun. I just did the old heat gun there, and that worked pretty good. We'll get this cleaned up, and I found a pretty kick-ass decal kit to put on this that should match it nice. But all right, guys, stay tuned. Subscribe, like the videos. We'll get some videos posted of this thing. Do some work on it.